How to remove old devices from Google accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can remove your old devices from your Google account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Google application from your device and make sure that you are logged into your specific Google account. Tap onto your initial on your top right. Here tap on Manage your Google account. As you do so, you will see a page like this. Over onto your left and tap onto Security tab. At this page, scroll below. Then under your devices, you will see all the devices that you have logged in your Google account. In order to remove any one of them, tap on Manage all devices. From here, you can go ahead and tap on any device that you would like to remove. To do that, simply tap onto it. Then tap on Sign Out. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.